a soldier. Beauty in the eye of a beholder.
My channel, it's your girl TJ. If you're new here, then welcome. Today I did a makeup tutorial. I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. I feel like I'm popping or whatever. But yeah, y'all, if you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. It was a struggle. You'll see why if you keep watching. Right here, y'all, I'm just underlining my brows with my LA Girl concealer. I'm about to use it as a guide for me filling in the rest of my brows. I'm not done filling my brows yet. Right here, y'all, I'm taking my Maybelline foundation to blend in the top of my brows so I can have more of a natural look. This is the moment where I didn't know what I was getting myself into. Pause. Do y'all not see this disaster on my face? And now I'm starting all over with the eyes. Now I'm taking the brown out of the box of crayons case and just building it and blending it. Yeah, I know you be eating it, but as you're blending it, I took the orange out of the same palette and now I'm just building it and blending it on my lower eyelid. It's time to prime the face. And now for foundation. Dab, 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 dab. Right here, I'm setting my face with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Now that I set my face with powder, I'm about to make it pop with some pink. Time to add some color to my face because all the powder took it away. I ain't got time to look like a clown, so I'm finna brush this off right now. Now it's time to set my contour. Time for some highlight. Time for the fan brush, thick and fluffy. It's gonna do the job, so the coins was worth it. Now it's time to blend this contour out, and I don't wanna see no straight line up under it, cause it's tacky and it's wacky, and that's all facts, so don't at me, period. I started feeling myself like Beyonce, but hey, this is TJ. I mean, what could I say? Now I'm setting my face with my NYX setting spray. Alright, y'all, off camera I applied my lashes and maybe a little more pink up under my eyes and my lip gloss, and I lined them lips. Now I'm about to take my mascara. Like I told y'all before, I do have bomb lashes. Y'all just cannot see them. Thank you very much. Now I'm going in to really set my face with my Mario Badescu spray. And remember, if you ain't blending, you ain't doing nothing.